Welcome back to Driven Daily. This is French Mike, and today I'm going to talk to you about welding gloves. Soudure en français. When I started working on this project, I started learning how to MIG weld. MIG weld is pretty much the easiest way to learn how to weld. You point, you click, and it sticks two pieces of metal together, somehow. For these, I bought these gloves. They're elk skin, they're pretty thick, and all I wanted was really protect my hand from burns, because I didn't know what to expect, and I kind of knew I was going to burn myself eventually. And with these, it didn't happen. I was pretty happy. They're, I think, around 30 bucks on Amazon. Yeah, they're Cayman. They're pretty good. But when I started learning how to TIG weld, the only reason I wasn't good right away is because those gloves were too thick. I didn't get enough dexterity out of my little hands, and yeah, it wasn't good. So I bought a pair of TIG gloves to get gooder. Those are from Harbor Freight. I think they're less than 10 bucks, $9.99, something like that. They are goat skin, so that you get a lot more dexterity. The skin is super thin, and yet you don't get burns. I don't know, leather magic. Yeah, like I said, they're 10 bucks, so you can't really go wrong with them. The fit is pretty good. You get a long sleeve that goes up your arm, so you don't get burns up your arm. And we really like them around the shop. So I'll put a link in this. I'll put a link in the description below. And if you think they're worth it, let us know and put it in the comments. Thank you guys. See you next week.